Okay, so you have a Heil Pro-7 or similar headset that's for the Icom. In other words, it's got the right microphone in it. And you also have an IC-9700 or IC-7300 or similar, and you want to know, how do I connect my Heil headset to this radio and make it work? Well, I'm just going to very quickly show you how you do it, because there seems to be hardly any instructions on how to do it. So here it is. First of all, you need to find from your favourite radio shop or from Heil themselves, or is it Heil, the AD1 IC. That's exactly what you need. What you have here is you have that connector. So have is this that came with these. If not, you'll have to buy one, which you can clip on, and some people use a foot switch instead. And this is your press to talk. So you've connected your press to talk to that connector there. So when you press this, then it transmits. Okay, got this plugged into a dummy load, thank goodness. So there you go. The end of the standard cables that come with your headset is these two connectors. I remember, and you can also tell by the stereo jack here, is the long one goes into phones with the reassuring click. The short one goes into the one with the microphone sign, another reassuring click. So what you now have is your Heil headset connected to your radio with the appropriate connector, and you've got your push to talk, and all is good, and you're off and running. What you might want to do is to do some playing around with the mic gain, because I have found some interesting results you will have seen on my IC-700. So it's good to do some recording of your own audio just to find out what it sounds like. Here are my settings that I've discovered are probably optimum for this, for what I want to hear. Bear in mind, your hearing could be different to mine, and there's a whole new debate. Also, just watch out on these IC-9700s. Lots of people report this. Sometimes they trip out. The reason they trip out is your fuses or something in the line, to my power supply in this case, aren't right. So just double check, and that's the reason it does it, some protection. Anyway, hope that's helped. Whatever you do with your radio, 73s. Bye now.